Check out these channels. Some were launched recently and are earning $5,000 to $20,000 per month simply by posting kids' music videos. These are real creators just like you who took the leap and got started. But here's what sets this video apart. I'm not just going to tell you how to make kids' videos and leave you all confused. I've spent hours studying what makes these channels go viral, testing prompts, and building a step-by-step system that anyone can follow, even beginners. Stick around to the end of the video for 3 bonus tips that will blow your mind. Now, I get it. You're thinking, oh no, not another YouTube tutorial, but trust me, this one is going to be different. There's no filler, no vague, weird tips, just real strategies that you can copy and use today. So step 1 is writing your song using ChatGPT. So let's start creating your first kids music video using ChatGPT. In ChatGPT, you're going to type in, write me a kid's song. And that's all it takes. ChatGPT will instantly generate full lyrics designed for children, complete with verses and a fun, catchy chorus. Here's a pro tip. If you're not feeling the first version, ask for another one, or try a different theme or genre. I usually generate 2 or 3 and choose the best one. Once you decide on a song, ask ChatGPT to create image prompts for each verse. We'll use these to generate our moving images for our video. Step 2, we'll turn those lyrics into a real song using Suno AI. The link is in the description below. So head over to Suno and click on the Custom tab. Copy the lyrics from ChatGPT and paste them in the Style field and type this: female nursery rhyme kids style. This specific prompt will give you the exact sound that works well for children's content. Now hit create. Within a minute, you'll have a studio quality kids song. Step 3. Now it's time to add visuals kids will actually love. We're using a program called VideoExpress AI, and the link is in the description below. So go ahead and click on that. Now here's why it's a game changer. It's one of the only tools that gives you unlimited animated video creation for a one-time payment. That's right, use it forever. Click create from prompt inside the platform. Then head back to your ChatGPT lyrics and remember those prompts we created. We're going to take one prompt at a time and generate our images. Now we'll want to create 3 to 5 videos with these images with every prompt, so we'll have enough content for the video. And don't forget to use the reuse character setting to keep your characters looking consistent. So here's an insider tip. Always choose 3D animation style and 3D model when creating your scenes. These settings consistently perform better on YouTube's kids content algorithm. Trust me, I've tested it. So while it's rendering your first scene, go ahead and queue up the next few prompts. Step 4, final assembly. Now let's bring it all together. Drag your Suno AI music track into the timeline. This is going to be your background audio. Go to your My AI Videos tab and grab your animated clips. Now drop them in to match the lyrics with the visuals. Give everything a final review, then click export. And that's it. You've just created a professional quality kids music video that could bring in passive income for years to come. Now here's a tip. This opportunity is hot right now, but it's not going to last forever. Early creators are seeing amazing results, and there's still room for you to jump in. Everything you need is linked in the description below. Before we wrap up, here are the 3 bonus tips to help your videos perform even better. Add the words nursery rhymes and kids songs in your video titles. You're going to want to also use bright, colorful thumbnails with simple, bold text. You also want to keep your videos between 1 and 3 minutes for better engagements. Now don't miss this chance. Start today and build a 24/7 passive income stream with content you create just once. If this was helpful, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, ring the notification bell, and stay tuned for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.